To the assembled guests and the watching world, Nelson Mandela gave the speech. Today, all of us do, by our presence here, confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long, must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. Nelson Mandela expressed himself by saying that in the presence of everyone, they are giving glory and hope to the newborn freedom. Liberty means freedom. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster, they have taken the bitter experience of an extraordinary human calamity, that was apartheid, that was the discrimination against the people because of their color of the skin, that lasted too long, that continued for a long time. Now there must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. Now they want the birth of a society on which all mankind should feel proud of. We who are outlaws not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is after all a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. They were considered outlaws. Outlaws means they were not given the privilege to meet with other people of the country. They were away. They were broken off from the diplomatic relations with other countries for a long time. But now they have been given the rare privilege. Rare privilege means a special right to be the host of the nations of the world. Now they are being the host of the nations of the world on their own soil, on their own land of South Africa. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country. Nelson Mandela is extremely thankful to all the international leaders who are honorable and they have come to the land of South Africa and they are sitting with them. After all, this is the common victory for justice, for peace and for human dignity. So this is the triumph for justice, for peace and for human honor, human respect. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. So after all, at last, they have got political emancipation, means political freedom. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people. So they are taking vow. We pledge means we vow ourselves to liberate, means to free themselves, to free their people from the bondage, from the slavery which was continuing, slavery of poverty. Deprivation means deprivation of rights, suffering, gender inequality and other type of discrimination, inequalities, etc. Never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. Now he thinks, in his opinion, this type of discrimination, this type of exploitation will never happen in their country by another caste or another race. Now their country will be free from all type of exploitation. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Let freedom reign. God bless Africa. So wishing blessings to his country Africa. He says, sun shall never set on such a glorious human achievement. Sun will always bless his glorious country. Let freedom, let liberty rule over their country. Now this is the end of first part of the chapter, and you have to write the answers of these questions. Click. Now I shall continue the remaining part of the chapter on the next turn.